Hello guys, today we will check my mommy's shoes. They just arrived today. As you can see, I just unboxed them. And the size is size 7 and in Europe is size 38. So let's see. Whoa! Very nice. The texture and the leather theme is very nice. As you can see, the front, the side, the back, and the other side. And as you know, the name is Nike RYZ 365, and it has a leather theme and it's see-through. I can see you all guys. It's leather theme here, and it's Nike aquatic color here, and the logo here is also aquatic, and the color is pink and white tie, and a little bit gray. Here are both of the shoes, little bit orange too. And you can see these are Nike shoes, white also. Very nice texture. And them are very, very nice, I think. And it's my mom's shoes that we're gonna check. It's not my shoes because it doesn't fit me. It's a little bit too big. And it's see-through, of course, and aquatic. So, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. And